All right, y'all, we're done for the day. Saturday the 20th in the tank. We're all done. This stuff here is a chemical reaction, right? I mean, it's already still little soft, little rubbery, but it's solidified, right? All of it is tomorrow. She'll be done. Got everything here clamped in place and working well, so that turned out good too. Ended up using two, well, actually 1.5 or 1 1.25 tubes of this stuff that's only like 4 ounce or something. There's not much of it there. 50 milliliter. I don't know exactly what that equates into in ounces, but it's not much and it's pricey. So, hey, it's part of the job. We'll send that expense down the line to Mr. Tracy, but it's in one piece. It'll be in one piece tomorrow. We can get it unclamped and work on knocking this stuff down and getting it fixed up. And we got to wait for Mike to find out if we're going to keep it. And because he's working on the gearbox for this cart, missing some retaining rings or I forget what they're called, snap rings for that go on the shafts for the gearbox. He's got the wrong ones. They sent him the wrong ones, and he was going to look and see if he could find some of the right size. If not, he wasn't going to take this cart, and then I won't have to worry about running it out to him. As it is, I already told him we're not going to be able to get the cosmetics done. We're not going to be able to get all the body working done and paint and clear coat or whatever, prettying it up. He would have had to take it, and then I'd have to get it back after he comes back. So he said there's a chance that he won't be needing it. He was not taking that cart anyway. The motor for that cart broke down at Daytona, and he's getting rid of it. So not in a big hurry. Those motors might be out getting worked on, maybe not. I don't know, but that's it. The table holding everything flat on the top side. This sandwiching and making everything flat. We just added a little popsicle stick where you peel, so you get a nice, you break it so you get a nice wedge. And just wanted to push that corner down just to make sure everything was all right. But it looks good. Everything's sitting down. She behaved. Sitting right where she should. Everything oozed out. Used an entire cartridge of adhesive just on the wing here. So good and strong, man. That thing will be super duper stout and strong. So that's it for Saturday. Tomorrow, hoping we can get out here and work on the zip cart a little bit. We'll bring out the new clutch that we've got. We got the axle all cleaned up, so we can get new brake hub and new brake rotor, bolts wired, all that stuff. Get everything that's going to go on the axle on, new bearings, new cassettes, and probably get the rear end on the cart. So looking forward to that. Just get a little bit of this done, right? I mean, get something else done. We're waiting. We got 2 more days, another day or two before we're going to be putting the final flake and clear on the tanks and stuff, because it's going to warm up a bit. So I figure we do that. We got to crack the door to run some exhaust for our new fancy exhaust fan, right? And to do that, it gets cold in here pretty quick. So we can wait till a more mild day. That's all I got for you. Hang in there, folks. We're playing around. I hope y'all are having a good time. God bless. Take care.